Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this perfect no makeup look. It's lightweight, a little bit of coverage, and you're getting that SPF in there, so it is perfect for summer, not to mention it's never gonna melt off your face. So again, perfect for the warmer months. So let's go ahead and get started. We keep it super duper lightweight up in here. I start off with the Caudalie Grape water. This is a hydration spray, but it's really nice because it does have an aerosol can applicator. So it just disperses the product really evenly and gets it ready for makeup. I do like to add on some light coverage and obviously some SPF. So my favorite thing to do for that is use a CC cream. This is my favorite. You guys have seen me talk about it so many times. It's the Erborian Korean Skincare Therapy CC Cream High Definition Radiance Face Cream. I think I've had this in like monthly favorites, skincare ride or dies, tutorials, routines, makeup routines. Erborian actually saw the video and wanted to work with me based on that, so I thought that was pretty cool because it's already a product that I actually love and honestly use every single day. But what I like about it is that it's actually white when it comes out of the tube, and when you rub it into your skin, it blends into your skin. It almost like melts into your skin and it creates color. Isn't that crazy? I thought that was so cool the first time I used it. It does have SPF, like I said, it has SPF 25 in it, and it does have that color correcting. That's obviously something that I like because I do have like light acne scarring that I like to cover, but also correct at the same time. Your face doesn't look oily or greasy or anything, which we definitely don't want in the summer when it's like hot outside. If you wanna check it out, it is available at Sephora's nationwide on the favorites wall, but I'll also put a link down below if you guys wanna check it out online, and I'll link everything as well for you guys. Another product that's like kind of an OG product for me is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This is actually the only concealer that I find doesn't crease if you don't want to use powder. So when I'm doing no makeup, I never really use powder because that's what's gonna make it look a little bit more cakey, a little bit like you're wearing stuff on your skin. So I highly recommend this product right here. And I just go ahead and press it into the skin with my fingertips because a lot of times when I'm doing this type of look, I'm either in a hurry, I'm rushing somewhere, so I don't have time to like, you know, wet my beauty blender, clean it. Don't lie, nobody ever always has time to do that, okay? Sometimes you gotta use your fingertips, and that's okay because with this concealer, it actually works just as well. I also go ahead and take this over any spots. I do like to add a little bit of blush, and I would recommend adding a cream blush because it's just gonna sit a little bit better on the skin. I've been using this Too Faced Peach My Cheeks Melting Powder Blush. This is a really cool product because it applies like a cream, but then it sets into your skin like a powder would, but it doesn't look like a powder. Does that make sense? So it stays on the skin a really long time, but it doesn't look cakey or, you know, ashy or anything like that. It almost acts like a little bit of a bronzer slash blush because I'm just using it to warm up the complexion. You can even take a little bit and put it right over the middle of your nose, and this gives it kind of like a sun-kissed look, as if you just got, you know, a little tan, a little burn, a little bit of both. But I feel like that makes it feel more summery too. Obviously, we have to add a little bit of highlighter, and again, I definitely recommend cream products during the summertime because that is what's going to stick on your face a little bit better. I would not recommend a liquid, and I definitely wouldn't recommend a powder. Liquid because it'll melt off, powder because it will sit on top of the skin instead of melting into the skin. So I'm gonna be using this Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured. So this is a cream version of their Moonstone highlight. I like this because it just kind of gives you the most natural looking highlight. This particular one doesn't have any glitter or shimmer in it, so it just looks like a very natural glow, as if you were, you know, sweating in all the right places. So I go ahead and place this on top of the cheekbones. Okay, low-key, this is like very random. This has nothing to do with the makeup, but I feel like this side of my face looks so different than this side. Like when I look at myself from this side of my face, I honestly feel like I'm a different person. Like, do you guys have that? Comment down below. What do you guys think? Do you have a different side? Like, does one side look different to you than the other? Because I feel like whenever I say this, everybody around me doesn't think that like it's true. They don't think that one side looks different than the other, but I'm telling you guys, this side looks way different. Like, I'm a different person. Like, this is my alter ego side. I don't know what her name is though. You can also place a little bit of this onto the Cupid's bow, and then maybe just a little on the tip of the nose. When I get to the brow bone, I start blending in the product and blend downwards towards the crease because we're not going to be using an eyeshadow, so this will just add a little bit of something to the eyes. For brows, sometimes if I'm really in a hurry, I will literally just brush through them with a spoolie. If you do want to fill them in, I would definitely recommend using a pencil, because usually pencils that have a fine tip like this are going to be the most natural looking and the lightest coverage, if that makes sense. Like, you're not going to get super dark defined brow hairs. So the one that I usually use if I were going to fill in my brows is the Kelly Baker Brow Defining Pencil in the shade Brown. I honestly only do line underneath the brow. I don't really touch the top part, because when you start touching the top, that's when it starts to look like you've done a lot of stuff to your face. Lately, when I've been doing these types of makeup looks, I have been using a lip liner, and this is something different than my previous no makeup routines, but it's something that I've been doing recently because I feel like it just can make your lips look a little bit more plump if you do it just very naturally, like overline it just super duper naturally. But the trick to doing it is just using a lip liner that's really similar to the actual natural color of your lips. So this is the 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Liar. You want to start super close to your natural lip line, and you can always, fill it out a little bit more later on, but I definitely recommend starting close to your natural. This formula is amazing for summertime makeup because it is honestly pretty long wearing. They're called the 24/7 Glide On pencils. I'm not sure if these are considered waterproof or not, but for me, they're definitely transfer proof. Like, I can, drink and eat and have fun in the sun and everything like that, and they pretty much stay on my lips. So I really, really like the formula of this particular lip liner. But over top of that, I like to go back in with our cheek color, which was that Too Faced blush in the shade Peach My Cheeks, and blend in the middle of the lips. Does that make sense? Sometimes you have to add a little bit of lip balm. Well, I do, because my lips get really dry, especially in the summer. But the last step, if you would like to, this is completely optional, but you can curl your lashes. You don't really have to add any product, or at least I don't usually add any product, but I feel like it just kind of opens up your eyes a little bit more, and it's super quick and easy to do. I think this is probably my most minimalistic no makeup look ever, and that is the reason that I thought it was perfect for like this summertime makeup tutorial when we're getting into the hotter months. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe right down below, and stay tuned for some more summer makeup tutorials coming up, just summer videos in general. And I just want to say thank you again to Erborian for working with me on this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.